behind the scenes weekend vlog, maybe. Well, we got back to the Lethal Garage. We've unloaded the old hood. I gotta find a place for it. Not here. Anybody need scrap metal? But today we're gonna head back up to Craig's. I grabbed the generic OER spoiler, and then I also have the generic one-piece grill. I don't think I'll be running this. I don't even know if this is gonna fit in the setup that we have, but we'll find out. And the Anvil Auto spoiler in carbon fiber with no end pieces, because they haven't delivered the end pieces, like they haven't delivered the hood. It's a terrible waiting game, especially when you're doing body work and you need the spoilers to fit. And I was supposed to have this a long time ago. Hopefully you can sense a little bit of my frustration here. But the other side of it is we got the new seats from Status. So I'm not going to show you exactly what they look like, but that's a nice little sneak peek. The other one's hiding over here. There she is. So we have our front seats, and right now I'm mocking up. I think I know how I can get these to work with their rails, but I'm using the Corbo seat sliders with adjusters, and we just got to get that to marry up with the Status setup. So I believe it's going to be possible. It actually doesn't look like it's too far off, so I'll show you what I'm going to do, and you guys could laugh at me because it's probably super dangerous, but we'll get to that another day. Let's get out to Craig's and see how these parts fit on the 71. Well, we made it up to Craig's. I already started some of the glass on the nose that we talked about in the last video. Hey, crazy, you're getting crazy already. You're already patching the areas that he had marked off. Oh, hey, there's a spoiler going on the car. So we have the Anvil Auto one that just drops right on in, but the offset on it, it overhangs almost a 1/4 inch, like it comes out this far. And then the OER one, when we got the holes to line up for that, the OER one finally sat down, but the pre-drilled holes that the previous owner had on this car did not line up. Like, these outside holes are almost a full, I'd say even 2 holes too far back for the setup. So we're having to make some adjustments, but you can kind of, here we can go this angle, kind of see what it looks like with the spoiler on there. So it's nice and flush here, and then there's the Grand Canyon gap out the back. And that's why a lot of these guys, they'll actually fiberglass these into the body, so because a lot of people hate the way that looks. It is what it is. It's how it was from factory, so that's how we're gonna roll with it. Well, we have a dovetail, kind of. Now keep in mind, this is the OER setup. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna put the Anvil one back on for the centerpiece so you can see it, but you'll clearly see it overhangs way too much to the driver's side. So the Anvil Auto one lines up pretty dang good on the passenger side, pretty flush. But you come over here on the driver's side, and it's about 1/8 of an inch. We may be able to hog the holes out a little bit more to offset that gap, but yeah, there's definitely an overhang on this side. But that's gonna look really good.
Looks really sharp.
I just wish I had the end pieces. Again, another item missing from the Anvil Auto lineup of parts. So I like the carbon fiber look. We just got to get the end pieces and see how it's going to look. So the nice thing is we got the OER fitment pieces. We know how the holes are. Unfortunately, we had to make much bigger holes than we wanted to. So we'll figure out how to either close that up or get some rubber washers or something once we bolt it all up, but it is what it is. But hey, spoiler alert.
Yay.
Well, there we have it for today. We did a lot of opening of holes. Craig's about to DA his touch-up spots. And Heath over here
Get out of here.
is chain smoking.
Get out of here.
Little Pete is glassing. So hopefully in the next video, we'll be recording that nose cone being flush, right? Maybe? Sure. That's it. That's all we got for this short episode. Thanks for checking it out, guys. And until next time, see you on the road.